everybody, in this video I'm gonna give my point of view of something that bothers me a lot and it's a little bit controversial. How Apple is taking advantage of people. I wanted to make clear that I'm not going to be talking about the quality of Apple computers or their technology, since we all know that Apple computers like MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or the MacBook Pro Max are extraordinary machines. The power and quality that they have are very difficult to reach, but not impossible. But now, why did I say that Apple is taking advantage of you? Apple has a marketing strategy focused on the middle class, upper middle, and above. Their marketing strategy is focused on convincing people that having something from Apple gives you a certain status and elevation in society. I recently saw a video on YouTube that was recorded in some high schools in the United States where teenagers were saying that if you didn't have an iPhone, you were poor. Imagine that mentality. And all of that is because of the marketing that Apple applies, which is often aimed at people's subconscious. But well, Apple takes advantage of the marketing and it becomes very easy for them to take advantage of you. Simple, if you want a MacBook, you have to pay whatever they ask for. And if you want a little bit more memory, then you have to pay 2 or 3 times more than the market price, because remember, it's Apple. You are no longer paying for technology or amazing advances. Now you're paying for marketing and branding. It's crazy because their SSD memories are not necessarily made by Apple. They have always been from Samsung or SanDisk. Yes, Apple has always used SSD memories from other brands. It is very difficult to find that information today. It is like hidden, and Apple will never reveal it. Try to check on Google who makes their memories now and you won't find anything. I know that Apple has its own chip where it integrates the SSD memory with the RAM memory with the processor, which seems amazing to me and works very well because I've tried it. But that doesn't mean that they necessarily manufacture their memories. Well, let's get to the facts, and here I will show you what I'm talking about. Look at the price of the memory if you want to increase it to 2 terabytes. It costs $400 on Apple's official website, when the SSD 990 Samsung Pro costs only $149 on Amazon. And obviously it's cheaper for them to get it. I mean, they charge you more than 200% of the real price to give you more memory. It doesn't seem right to me. The top 4 terabyte memory is $299 on Amazon, and Apple charges you $1,000. We're already talking about more than 300%. That is already an abuse. Now, if you come and tell me that the prices are like this because Apple is manufacturing its own memories, well, one, why when Apple used Samsung memories, the prices were always like that? They increased 200, 300, and 400%. So it was always like that. 2. Samsung 990 SSDs are top quality along with the Crucial SSDs. If Apple is making their own SSDs, the quality will be around there. And if you tell me that they're better, the difference won't be much. Also, if they're making their own SSDs, it means that they are even cheaper for them. So why are they charging those prices? Please understand that with Apple, if you want more, you have to pay a lot. And it's all because of the brand. I know that many of you use Apple and will be upset with me for this video, but please understand my point of view and understand that I speak with facts. It's not that I don't like the brand or I'm just inventing things. And I'm not talking about the quality of Macs, because they're excellent and almost invincible. I have used MacBooks and I think they are incredible. But nowadays, with all the information that is on the market and that you can find online, please buy what you need and what suits you, not because of the brand or status. Okay guys, I hope you found this video interesting and let me know what do you think in the comments. On the other hand, I've seen many messages asking me for tutorials. They're coming, so stay tuned. And now, until next week.